Hikers who love to go off the beaten path need a shoe that can stand up to the challenge. The X CREST is designed to provide advanced comfort and stability with all the traditional features that you want in a hiking shoe. The Contagrip outsole is designed to keep your foot from slipping on all types of terrain, which makes it ideal for technical trails and slippery conditions from wet leaves to hard-packed surfaces. The midsole of the X CREST is made from the same material used in our trail running shoes. This durable midsole is lightweight and responsive, absorbing impact to protect your feet from fatigue. The midsole density is designed to be the perfect blend of cushioning and stability, keeping the shoe super versatile and very lightweight. The molded Ortholite insole provides underfoot cushioning and breathability even for the longest hikes. This memory foam has open cell construction that controls odor and microbes. The die-cut insole is designed to conform to the natural anatomy of your foot for ideal comfort and fit. So what makes this shoe so great when you're on the trail to keep your foot in place? It's the sense of fit technology. You'll see this on a lot of Salomon shoes, and it's not just a cool aesthetic. What it really does is it locks in the top of the shoe to the midsole, so that when you're on uneven terrain, your foot stays stationary inside the shoe, providing great fit and comfort. The X CREST is also equipped with a reinforced protective toe cap. This shields your toes from rocks and roots along the trail. The X CREST is also available with Gore-Tex, a waterproof breathable membrane that offers added protection and is guaranteed to keep your feet dry during those stormy hikes and during those winter months. When you want to blaze new ground rather than simply follow the trail, keep your feet protected with the X CREST Gore-Tex from Salomon. The die-cut insole is designed to conform to the natural anatomy. The die-cut insole is designed to conform to my natural anatomy. So when you want to blaze new ground rather than simply follow the trail, keep your feet protected. Keep your feet. Okay.